There I was cutting our lawn when there was a sudden bump and the cutting height adjuster failed. It looked very much like the linkage to the front wheels had failed. First, turn the mower on its side. It's important that the petrol tank is uppermost. I could see that the connecting rod was properly attached to the front assembly. This video shows how to get access and make the necessary repair. This is a regular thread, so anti-clockwise to unscrew using a 14mm socket. 3 T20 self-tappers. A very neat pivoting arm to tension the heavy gauge extension spring. The mower is only 2 years old, and I suspect Hayter never fitted the retaining star washer. A new 8mm star washer was used. A tip: I found that a 10mm socket was ideal for drifting the star washer onto the boss. All reassembled and working perfectly.